The Russian Helicopters Aviation Company will repair the Mi-35P Army's P-AD Army aviation helicopter and send aviation equipment for other aircraft repairs, according to the Russian Helicopters Public Relations Office, as reported by TASS on Monday 6/12. The helicopter will be repaired at the company's factory in Russia. Specialists from Russian Helicopters have begun preparing for delivery of Mi-35P helicopters according to Indonesia-Russia Defense and Technology Framework under contracts agreed in September. The Indonesian helicopter will then undergo inspection at the aviation repair plant ARF 150. The Indonesian side has started the dismantling and loading of its helicopters and components since November 28, 2016, assisted by specialists from ARF 150. The first Mi-35P combat helicopter was supplied to Indonesia in September 2003. 3 additional helicopters were then supplied in September 2010. This helicopter is the development of the Russian Mi-24 Heinz legendary combat helicopter that began production in the 1970s. Slightly different from Western combat helicopters separating the attackers and invaders, the Mi-35P is an attack helicopter equipped with the capability of carrying troops even in limited numbers, that is 8 fully armed combatants. As an attack helicopter, the Indonesian Mi-35P is equipped with an 80mm S-8 rocket, a chaff/flare launcher to outwit the invading missile, 30mm GSH-30 cannon, and a 9M120 attack anti-tank missile capable of hitting various targets ranging from tanks to enemy tanks from a distance of 8 kilometers. These missiles are difficult to be deceived by radio-electronic interference, so they have a high degree of accuracy.